I don't really like the connotation we give snakes. I think they're so powerful and make great guardians or spirit animals, just how unemotional and focused they are. Like, they lock onto their target and then it's done. And I wanted to make a piece about that viciousness funneled. So, not from the stance of being a predator or asserting dominance, but being a guardian. What that level of protection would do for your spirit. How would you sit in your body? How would you move? How would you breathe if you knew you were that safe?